Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install applications on your Redmi 14C. So there are two ways you can install applications on your Redmi 14C. So the first way is by using the Google Play Store. So all you have to do is find the Google Play Store on your device and tap on it. And then from here, use the search function by selecting the search option at the bottom right corner and tap on the search bar and type in the application that you'd like to install. So let's say if you want to install Discord, you can simply tap on Discord, or you can simply search for it. So Discord, tap on it, and then from the options that appear, find the official Discord application, select it, and then all you have to do is tap on install, and that will install the application on your Redmi 14C. Now, another way for you to install applications is by using the Get Apps application within the Redmi 14C. So this is how it looks like, the Get Apps. So all you have to do is tap on it and then give it a few seconds. And then from here, simply close that. And then from here, tap on the search bar at the top. And then type in the application that you'd like to install on your Redmi 14C. So let's say WhatsApp. So type in WhatsApp and then select it to search for that application. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on WhatsApp and then tap on install. And that will install that particular application on your Redmi 14C. So let's wait for it. Then once you're done, you can see it has been successfully installed on your Redmi 14C. So you can access the application. So here it's WhatsApp that you have downloaded using this Get Apps, and also this is the Discord application that we used Google Play Store to install from. So that's basically it on how to install applications on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.